how buildings, how about we talk about buildings? Houses, barns, sheds, collapsed, hanging, all kinds, they sell good. If you develop a certain, there's a certain type, how a modern building will not sell. But a building what is just crooked, collapsed, the windows are hanging out, will always sell. The same as you paint a car on the street, it will not sell. But if you paint horse and buggy, it will sell. Or a horse and a plow and a farmer going after behind the plow, it will sell. That means there's certain things they don't bother us too much. But certain things, and I will show you all kinds of oil checks, they are easy to sell and they fit in nice. So we will create, just to create, we'll do, make it kind of a not blue alone, a little crimson with it. That gives you kind of a, that's kind of a nice sky, purple sky. And always try to create a depth. See, not only you put these clouds on, start off always from the top, and then go down, and you create the depth, see, by getting lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter, and automatically you would think it is a certain illusion you create by doing that. And that illusion makes you think it is deep. You can do it the other way around. You can have it dark on the bottom and light on top. Even that will look depth, make you deep. It is not good to make a sky like a curtain hanging down. See, that is hard to sell too. But see, that is what always will do a good job. And then you can do the same thing from the bottom up. Can do the same thing from the bottom up. If you want to paint water or whatever, then you got it already in. It goes so fast. Now, see, again, just from the dark into the light, and you create far away illusion of this horizon line is forever, forever. See, just let it go into nothing. Let's go into nothing. And then all of a sudden you would think that is so far and comes out all of a sudden. Now, that doesn't matter really. I will just show you buildings. I could paint trees behind or mountains behind or whatever. We would just concentrate on buildings. Now we say a building is standing. I will put them next to next. You can space them the way you want. The way I paint a building as a sample, let me show you. Just, I would think, just saw, I say a building here. The gable end come this way and the house goes in. So I start off with that gable end like this. See? That overhanging roof there. And then you think, see, that's the side move of the house. So now then, already you think this side. See, make it so that you think there's this side. And perspective right. Don't matter how long you want that house. Okay. Now the next step would be I pull over a roof and you have a house there. See, I go on like this and pull over a roof like this and like this and like this and make it smaller. Perspective, you see here, it gets smaller, smaller as you go on doing it. Then you fill in here. See, fill in there. And then where's the light coming from? We say the light's coming from this side. Then you put the light on this side. See, I would run it long like this. See, all of a sudden you already get that old house going. Then you go by those same steps. I will put kind of a what you use there, 2 by 6, and the other 2 by 6 this way. See? A bit more. That's the way I usually put the house together. Now, you can do all kinds of things as a sample. I would say just make sure it has, they come like this. You put the chimney on, there, can be in the middle, can be on the side. The light is coming from here, then you put a little bit of dark in the back. See, and all of a sudden you got the chimney there. See, then the next step would be what you want to do. You put the door in. As example, I would put the door in here. See, put the door in there. And if you have, see this side, cut it off like this. See how easy you can fix it all the time. By having that in look there, you need this inside there. What I do, I just use a kind of white for this type. See, and you make a little bit of, you can see how big the wall is there on the inside. And if you want the door, you can have that door a little bit open. You can run the door in. I would run it in like this. Show you. See, you would say that door is a bit open, and you cut it up like this. See? Bit better. You repeat it, because this time, watch. See? Don't worry what's hanging out there. You can always get it off. See? Then I would make a sharp line if you want to. Then you would say, oh, I want to add to that house a little shed, because he built that house first, and then all of a sudden he needed room for his lawnmower and for whatever. So he added to that house here, he added to that house here, put the over roof on. See, and how easy you get that on, watch. See, just there. And you can have it nice and colorful. See, that means there's a flat roof over there already. Then you think underneath it is see, all of a sudden now you can have that up and down. From here on you can add a touch of white, like the light is coming from this side, you can add up to here. See? That means you can see that coming out with that roof overhang. The roof overhang. And it's always nice to have some shadows underneath there first, see, before, and then have the light coming out more. And if you want to, you can use this kind of a movement, use that corner and think like this. See? See, now all of a sudden you build it up to whatever. Right. Then you can put the other door in there too. See, I would say here we will make a corner there. See? And you can cut another door there, here, as a sample. See? Now, you can cut windows in, and windows, I tell you which way I do it. I'll make it a bit more clear. So you see the house standing there. Use white and a touch of phthalo green. Can you see it? See? White and a touch of phthalo green, because it gives you kind of a light reflection all of a sudden. See, if I put it on here, watch. See, this reflects, as a glass, it will give you certain reflection. And then you want to have it here, you can put the window in there too. See, makes it so easy. In the beginning, when I painted my house so perfect. There was even the window sill and the window frame and the curtains you could see hanging in there. And I thought it's the only way to do it. But I learned I never could sell those kind. You can take a camera. But this gives you kind of a beautiful old check. And then you can act like, here you can put the other window in there and the other window in there. And whatever. See, and then if you want to, you can show on the other side. Just on this side is kind of a build on, but he built on this side too. See, now all of a sudden, and it's all in your imagination. You can say he went up to that height, and he built on there. See, but that is flat now. You have to make so that it looks like the underneath dark. See, and then pull over a lighter color. Put over a lighter color there from here on. See, and blend it all in. And then you have a little bit of a roof overhang. Let it overhang there a little bit. See, and all of a sudden there's other shed built on.